Hello and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I want to talk about the Claude AI agent that everybody is very excited to use. So I'll show you how you install and use it, but I'll also want to talk a little bit about what's the difference between this AI agent and the so-called structured AI agents. And then you can decide what's best for you based on whatever you want to use your AI agents for. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is come in this website right here, docker.com, and download the Docker desktop tool based on the device that you have, right? That's step number one. Step number two is create an account on Anthropic, click on Get API Keys and create a key. And you can name it whatever you want. You can say Claude AI Agent key and click on Add. Copy the key. Save the key somewhere. Let's say it's here, right? Just keep it here for now. Then there's a code that you need to kind of insert in the Docker tool. And the code is, I'll leave it in the description of this video. So all you have to do is edit this part. This is where your API key will go. So grab the key, copy, come in here, select this part, remove it, or just copy paste the key. And this is the code. So now you get the code, this complete code right here. I assume you installed your Docker correctly. So in the Docker, you click on the terminal here, and then right in here, you copy paste this code that you have now. Once that it is installed, you will see this open localhost right here. All you have to do is click on it, right? And it will open this tab on your browser, which is the Claude Computer AI Agent. And here is the desktop, which allows you to see what AI does. So for example, if we say, I want to buy a car between 4,000 euro and let's say 7,000 euro, not older than 2010, find all the best options in, let's say, Munich, Germany, and list them in a spreadsheet starting with the lowest price first. And as you can see, it's running, and you can see that now accepts the task that basically we gave to it, right? And here it also screenshots its desktop, which is this one. And now you can see I'm not moving anything, as you can see. I'm not doing anything, and it's basically browsing using Firefox. It's opening a new tab, and it also, you can see here, it shows the action that it's taking, and it's going in German sites about cars. Yeah, that's what it's doing. It's not super fast, I must say, but it's understandable. So yeah, definitely very exciting to see this thing do things for you. What are those things? We haven't drawn a line yet. We don't know what it can do. The one that I just gave in this video demonstrated it's too sophisticated for it, which isn't very exciting, a bit disappointing, but we will see where this goes. We obviously know that these things will get so much better in a very short amount of time. Now, talking about AI agents, and what I'm about to explain to you right now is what structured AI agents are. Despite the fact that don't have the visibility and the transparency as this tool has, they still get you the results you desire. Also, you can really design them step by step. I'll just show you one example here that I have. This is an AI agent that I have built. So when you insert your input and you click on run here, it will execute on these tasks step by step in order to achieve the desired result. Not only that, but they are tested. So you save and test each step to get more control on the results, right? So I will show you actually what it looks like. For example, this AI agent, what it does, it's if we want to go and write an SEO friendly blog article, ideally you would go on Google search results, look at the top ranking articles, see what's missing, do some content gap analysis, and then create your own blog outline that talks about the topics that are missing in the competition in order to outrank them, to surpass them, right? You would do this manually, but thanks to these structured AI agents, what you can do is build those steps, and then they execute automatically once that you saved the app template, right? So for example, in this case, it analyzes the position 1 on Google, position 2, position 3, 4, and 5, mainly the top 5 articles, and then does the content gap analysis based on the content of these top 5 articles, creates a unique angle that no one is addressing, a pain point that no one is addressing, and then does some social listening because it has the ability to look at the section on Google. When you search, there's this section called People Also Ask, but also does a specific search on Google around forums and see what they are discussing in forums, looks at case studies, looks at infographics about that topic, and then creates an outline. So for example, I can actually show you how this would work live. So we come in here and say, all you have to do is, for example, in this case, you add a target keyword. Let's say the target keyword is how to build your own AI agency. How to build AI agency. All you have to do is click run. Now, the difference is you will see the tasks being executed, but you can't see the browser, or you cannot see the mouse moving around, the cursor of the mouse moving around. Look, you can see that it's requesting Google Organic SERPs. Now it's analyzing the top 1 URL. So you do have a level of transparency. So now we are already at analyzing position 4 on Google. Now it's doing content gap analysis, step 12th out of 19th. It also shows you the estimated time for this app to finish running, and now it's proposing a unique angle. Now it's looking at forums, etc., to see what else to add to this blog outline, looking at case studies, the final step, which is actually creating the outline. So you can build all sorts of structured AI agents, I like to call them. They can really work autonomously based on the goal that you initially give to them, and then you get the results, which are all here. At the end, you can see what has been done, right, on every step. And if you just want to go to the final result, which is the outline for the blog, is in here. Building an AI agency for niche industries. So it says leveraging specialized knowledge and AI tools to dominate underserved market, which is an angle that definitely the top ranking articles on Google missed. And that's the beauty with these structured AI agents. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. I would love to answer you and help with whatever I can. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.